Ground faults are probably one of the number one fault conditions within PV systems, and so testing for those, finding your ground faults, and being able to repair those ground faults quickly and efficiently is really important for operators of PV systems. The Megger tools provide value for ground fault testing in the sense that they give the technicians a way of using handheld tools to move efficiently through the array to help locate ground faults on both the DC side with the DCM 1500S and the MIT 2500, as well as over on the AC side with the Megger's TDR 2050. When you're looking for ground faults on the AC side, Megger's TDR 2050 can be used on our three-phase systems. So those conductors are typically underground, so we don't have the ability to do quite the visual inspection like we do on the DC side. And the TDR 2050 is able to give us highly accurate measurements and be able to find those potential faults. On the DC side of the system, our conductors are prone to ground faults. We have conductors running in free air, and so all kinds of things can introduce potential faults to ground on those systems. The DCM 1500S is the only tool that can go up to 2000 volts DC. The MIT 2500 is the only handheld tool that goes up to 2500 volts for the testing, as well as having the guard terminal. And the TDR 2050 has a dual trace function that allows you to look at historic data, such as when you commission the system, to comparing your traces for your O&M activities. Using the Megger tools really help technicians isolate and find those faults accurately and safely.